ขอโทษค่ะ
What?
ขอโทษค่ะ
Kototka.
Yes.
Kototka.
Yes. She is look funny.
I think she's put the Indian man. Yeah. Just tell me.
Africa. Yeah.
Gindi to my subscribers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be in English because as you saw in the thumbnail, we'll be having someone special for tonight and that guest doesn't understand even a single word in Tamil. So just for the sake of not embarrassing her too much and to make her comfortable, we'll be starting out this video in English and during the course of time, we'll teach her some good Tamil and let's see how she makes it. So yes, without any further ado, let's call our special guest who's been waiting here for ages and welcome Pong. Hi Pong.
Hi Harin. Hello everybody.
Pong, you know what food we're gonna cook today?
Not
Right?
really. Yes.
Okay, so I think this is one of your favorite Indian food.
Okay.
Just can you guess?
Probably naan because I see fly.
Exactly. This is her favorite food, favorite Indian food. So whenever she goes to some Indian restaurants, she orders naan, right?
Yes.
Pong, also do you have any idea of what are the ingredients that goes inside naan?
Supposed to be flour, right? And not sure about yeast.
Yes.
Right, and then supposed to be some oil,
Yeah.
right? Salt, probably.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started. So first, we'll be adding flour. So this is 2 cups, 250 grams of maida or all-purpose flour. Okay, so yes, in the bowl, you can add it fully. Salt, it's about a half teaspoon. And oil, 1 tablespoon of any flavorless oil. Now we'll give it a good mix.
And we use this one.
No, you can use hand.
Okay.
Or yeah, you can mix it.
Okay.
So yes, the flour is mixed. Now let's set this aside. You can wash your hands.
Yep.
So, alright, our dry ingredients are ready. And now we're going to make the yeast mixture. So for that, I've taken like a half cup of lukewarm water. For that, water shouldn't neither be too hot nor too cold. 1 teaspoon of sugar you can add. Just give it a mix.
Okay.
Fine. Okay, this is like 1 teaspoon of yeast. So
Not so mix.
yeah, mix.
Again, we have to wait for how long?
Just for 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be ready. Okay. So let it rest. So probably we should have done that first. It's okay.
Actually, we should prepare the wet part
First, yeah, first. So that we wouldn't have wasted much time.
Yes.
But nevertheless.
Why we need yeast? Because why we have to mix together with the sugar and wait for 5 minutes, something like that.
Okay, the thing is, so each. Your question answered?
Yes.
What were you asking?
It's like, yeah. Okay. I can imagine.
Yeah, this girl has got so many questions to shoot at me.
You know, like, because I'm a scientist, that's why sometimes I
Yeah.
do things.
Tell my subscribers about your, the personal stuff. So
What- what-
I'll tell one thing. Okay. Sorry. So she's from Thailand, and she is my husband's colleague, and that's how we met. That's how we became friends.
Yeah.
And yes, you can say the rest.
Yeah, I'm working in the same company with her husband, but we work in different department. Yes, my main responsibility is on the research and development. It's like kind of scientist. That's why, yeah, when we mix or when we do things, we have a little bit question why we need that, what happened with this and that, something like that.
Yeah.
Yes. Because of my education background. Yes. Yes.
So it's formed well. You can mix it.
Okay.
Now we've got to pour this
Mm-hmm.
inside the dry ingredients. Yes.
All of this.
Yes.
Okay.
You can mix.
What I need? My hand.
Yeah.
Okay, I like the feeling of touching the flour.
Seriously. So we are Indians and we always use hands. Unlike you people. Chopstick and fork and spoon. We just have, our hands.
Yeah.
But that's not enough. We have to add in more water.
Okay.
So I have here like 1 cup of water. So I'm not going to add this fully because we already have the half cup of yeast water. So maybe we'll just gradually add it. You just got to knead it for like good 7 to 8 minutes. Just good kneading is the key for getting the beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we are done. So yes, we are done. You managed to do this well. Good. Yes.
Thank you.
Like seriously, this is good. So now what we're gonna do is apply some oil, and then we're gonna set this aside for 1.5 hours. We're done.
Okay, good. Okay.
It's 1.5 hours. You can open it and see.
The door is become big now.
Yeah, it's actually doubled in its volume.
Yeah.
So, do you want to give it a punch?
Yeah.
To the honors?
Okay. Do for all, right? And then we just.
Yeah. Then we're just gonna spread it.
Okay.
Using the rolling pin.
Mm-mm.
And then we'll put it in a towel and make it a
Okay.
good flat.
Okay.
Non.
Okay.
Yeah, I know it's
From
ready.
these, how many pieces we can get? Okay.
6 pieces for sure.
Okay.
So we've made it into medium-sized balls. So like we've got 6 good medium-sized balls and 1 small-sized ball. So that's for fun.
Yes.
We have a flat surface. We have a rolling pin. Now it's time to start rolling. I mean, spreading out the dough.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
So just for that, we're just gonna dust some flour.
Yep.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
And I just spread it.
Yeah, you just can. Yeah,
That's it.
yeah, we'll do. We're not gonna make it that big.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So just take a piece.
Okay, this small one.
Yeah, small one.
Then I just put it here.
Yeah, here.
Then press
Then
it.
just press it,
Okay.
and then you can use the rolling pin and just can flatten it.
Okay. I'm not professional yet.
It's
But-
okay. Everything has first time. Right?
True. And then.
Just hold here. So that
Oh,
it
okay.
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. However you want, you can shape it.
Yep.
So round is not a big deal, but usually the nouns are like a bit like it's I don't know what shape it is. It's kind of irregular. So it's like like a rectangular.
Okay. Okay.
Not proper rectangular, but that's yeah, exactly. This is the shape.
Should be a little bit long. Like
Yeah,
It's not in a round
elongated,
shape.
yeah.
Yes.
So
This is
yes,
okay?
our palm has made like good flat Indian bread.
Yay.
Yeah. Now my friend is becoming a pro.
The shape is look funny.
I think she's put the India map.
Yes.
She's becoming an Indian.
Yes.
By putting India map.
Why is not that good like that one? Or is it too long already now? Huh? Okay.
Anyway, everything
Right?
is going to be
Yeah, we
in
are
the
not.
stomach. Yeah.
Yes, we are not saving that, no?
Yeah.
Just for our
Yeah.
meals. Should be okay.
Okay. Just let me give you a closer look of this way.
True. It's look definitely like India map.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just wow. Do you mind saying your age in my channel?
Again?
Do you mind saying your age in my channel?
No, I don't mind.
You know what? She's 33.
Yes, I'm
She's 33.
Yes.
But you don't look so. Yeah, seriously.
How many years gap between two of us?
I don't want to say my age.
I feel like a little bit old. My heart still young.
Yeah. True. Do you want to learn something in Tamil?
Yes.
Yeah.
Teach me something.
Tell vanakkam to my subscribers. Vanakkam.
Vanakkam.
Vanakkam is you just hold both of your hands like this and say vanakkam.
Vanakkam.
Yeah.
It's like in Thai, sawadika.
Sawadika, exactly. You know, I know a little bit of Thai. Sawadmika, kapunka.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
And then what? Wait. Thank you is kapunka, right?
Yes, true.
Then
Oh.
what?
Sorry?
Sorry.
You know sorry?
No, I'm just, a Korean, Japanese everything is taking.
Yeah.
I forgot. What do you say?
Sorry?
Sorry?
ขอโทษค่ะ
What?
ขอโทษค่ะ
Kototka.
Yes.
Kototka.
Yes.
And grateful.
Grateful. ยินดี
Gindi.
Yes. Yeah.
Gindi to my subscribers. Okay, I'll teach you something in Tamil.
Yeah.
Okay? So, do you want to specifically have something in your mind just to ask me?
Happy. How is
Happy. Sandosham.
Sandosham.
Sandosham. Yes.
Sandosham.
Yeah.
And then thank you.
Thank you. Nandri.
Nandri.
Yeah.
Nandri.
Nandri. Maybe we'll try some sentence. Okay. How are you?
How are you?
Yeah. For that, we'll say eppadi irka. Eppadi
Apri
irka.
Irka.
Irka. So it's like eppadi irkinga is with respect. When you are talking to some elders or so, you just add eppadi irkinga.
Oh, okay.
So if you can ask me like eppadi irka is without respect. So just tell me.
Aprika.
It's not like appadi is there. Appadi means there.
Okay.
Okay. Eppadi is how. Eppadi.
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 Epadi.
Yeah.
Oh,
Eppadi.
it's quite difficult. How
Yeah.
no?
No.
Easier.
Easier.
Yeah, very easy.
I think this is the easiest.
I don't know where actually I put a tongue.
Yeah, you know what? There is a funny thing about this song. She can't pronounce my name. I'm not Harain. I'm Harini. My name is
Yeah,
Harini.
Ah.
But she calls me Harain.
Yes.
And for Deb, she calls Deb. So B is pronounced as B.
Yes.
Right? Always. And also, I was for a long time. Her name is Phung. I mean, her nickname is Phung. I used to call her as Fung, but it's not actually. The sound is not like that.
Yes.
So how do you call that?
Phung.
Phung. It's
Yes.
Phung, not Fung.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. One of the difficult the language, and
Yeah.
it makes it more interesting.
Maybe next week we'll teach you Thai. So Pong will be teaching me Thai, and we'll be videotaping that, and
Yeah.
that was my favorite sticky rice, mango sticky rice, right? Oh, I'm in so love with that food. I don't know.
You love sweet.
Yeah, I love sweet. That's the reason. Yes. Okay, we are ready to go, and we want to make a perfect flat Indian bread. Naan, right?
True. Yes.
So, oh, my friend is busy doing her job. So,
Okay.
so the tawa is hot.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, ensure before putting the naan in the pan, you must have your pan like at high heat.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. So yes.
Yeah, you see the bubble now.
So we'll flip to the other side.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want?
Yeah. Just like this. Wait. Okay. Because it's just basic this one. Right?
This is how you wanted your naan to be.
Okay.
So your naan will be very soft.
Mm.
You can now flip it to the other side.
Okay.
Pong, this is your bread. This is the one you.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, look nice, huh?
Yeah. We have a melted butter here, so we've got to brush it on top of our naan while it's hot. That's very important.
Yeah.
So same way you can put chopped garlic and make this garlic naan. You can brush it over.
Yep.
So today we're not going to do that. So we just done with the butter and we're going to do just the butter naan. Tom, what do you want to say about cooking?
Yeah, it's nice. It's a good experience. Yeah, I really like it. Yes. Yeah, let's try. Even
Yeah.
I can do it. Yeah, you guys can also do it.
You guys need to try this, right?
Yes.
Because it's so damn easy. And do try this recipe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you want to follow me, you can follow me here on Instagram as Harini Baburaj. So we'll meet you in another video with an interesting recipe. Until then, bye.
Bye bye.
What were you doing, Paul?
Make some relax. That make us relax, more relaxed, and then things will go easier. Right?
Just what were you doing that time?
Yeah.
The dance move.
Yeah.
What is the dance move?
Which one?
This thing?
Not really. It's just dance.
What am I supposed to say?
Where are we? Now where are we?
What?
Because you said it's gonna be a secret. We end the show.
Yeah, this is a secret.
Yes.
Ay, ay, ay.